Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shoptun Chaudhary. Now today I am going to discuss about function overloading. So guys, please watch and listen carefully so that you can able to understand. okay. Okay, what is function overloading? Here you see function overloading is the process in which the class will have the same function name in the same scope. It is one kind of polymorphism where it will be static polymorphism. Okay, I have not included this. Please guys, you include it. It is one kind of static polymorphism where the function can perform different operations. The meaning of this is that function overloading is the process. It's actually a process, or you can also say procedure, in which the class will have the same function name. Means, suppose you have defined any class called shape, and you want to overload a function name as area. So this area function you can able to overload. The area function will be overloaded. How? You have to keep the function name same, that is void area. This function name will be same in all the cases, okay, so that you can able to understand overload. But not only the function name will be same, the parameter list of that function name should also be different. Means the parameter list will be also different. Not only the function name should be same. If the function name is same and the parameter list of that particular function is different, then the function is said to be overloaded. It is the one kind of static polymorphism which can perform different operations. Okay, now some rules you can see here. The count of the parameters in a function is observed while function calling, which means that suppose you have given a suppose you want to overload a function void area. You have given two parameters, int a comma int b, and another function void area int int I comma int j comma int k. In this way you are trying to overload a function. Okay, what is the difference here? The difference is nothing, that you can see that the function the parameter list of the functions are different. In first function there are two parameters, and in second there are three parameters. The count is different. This should be done while function overloading, while doing function overloading. The data type of the parameters in a function should be there. The data types should also be there. Suppose you have given two integers and other is three integers. In this case, function is overloaded. Also, you can do by taking two different data types. One is int, another one is float. Okay. In this way, also you can able to do. One is int, another one is float. The data type of the parameters in a function should be there. So as I told you all. Okay. Now let us see one example of programming, so that you can able to understand it easily. But at first you have to see the benefits of function overloading. What are the benefits here? See guys, the function can perform different operations, which means that it can perform different operations. Suppose you have taken area, you can find the area of this square, or the area of the rectangle, or the area of a triangle, whatever. Okay, this different operations can be performed. The function eliminates the use of different function name. What the function actually do? This is very much important point. Please note it down. The function eliminates the use of different function. What is the meaning of this statement? The meaning of this statement is that you can use different function name. You cannot use different function name. You have to eliminate. The function eliminates the use of different function name. Okay. You have to use the same function. Otherwise, you cannot say that the function is overloaded. Okay. So we cannot use the different function name. It eliminates the use of that different function name. And next point, you can note it down. It is not so much important. Okay, function overloading also brings flexibility in C++ program. You can note it down. But the second point is very much important. You have to eliminate the use of different function name. You cannot use different function name. Otherwise, the function overloading is not taking place actually. Okay. So this is done. Now let's move to the programming. See here, I have defined a class name as shape. Now I am using the access specifier so that we can access these functions from outside. Void area int s. See out the area of this square is this. Void area int l comma b, area of triangle. In this way I have overloaded a function. You can see this parameter list. Count is different here. I have used different data type. Here float, here also float. Okay. Okay, now go to the main function. here I have I am what I am trying to do here. What I am trying to do here, I am trying to create different objects of a particular class. And what is the name of that particular class? It is shape. Here you can see it, shape. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, these are the shapes. I have just created different objects of this class shape. Now let's move to next page. See what I am trying to do, it's very much important. Square dot area 5, what we are actually trying to do here. 5 is an argument that I am passing, that is passed, and this parameter will copy that 5 here, and it will perform the this operation s into s, which means I am trying to find out the area of this square. In this way we can find it. So in similar way we can also find here rectangle dot areas, triangle dot area, circle dot area. You can see 6,3. In the same way it will go to see here void rectangle, void area, sorry, int l comma b. Here l and b, the arguments are passed, and here it will be copied, and the area of the rectangle will be also, we can able to find it out easily. And triangle dot area, here ff means float is given 3.4f, 6.9f. Means here f, why we are doing f, because the compiler will not able to understand as it is a float data type or integer data type. Okay, so that's why we are using f here. And then again it will go to this void area function, float b, float h, then it will perform area of rectangle. Similarly the next one, you can see 9.6f, it will copy it here, the argument will pass and it will copy here, and area of circle will also we can easily find out. Okay, so today up to this much. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos related to object oriented programming in C++. Thank you.